We found a dimension in the lava, guys, and look, and
What is this?
we're in the lava, and we literally no way. What? We're in a different dimension, and what is this? It says we're in the what? This does not make sense. And
Wait,
look.
go over here. Go over here.
Oh, I'm going over here. There's still lava in front of my face, and
Then go over here.
go here.
This is a big place. And then put your head in the blocks. Put your head in the blocks. You will see there's a big dimension. Look it over here.
What in the world is happening? And guys, you literally see this on footage, right?
Wait, come over here.
Come over here. What's wrong?
This
We're
is.
still under
Look
lava.
it over here. There's grass. There must be a place here, but it got destroyed by lava.
What in the?
Whoa! Look it underground. It's like moving red stars and floating pigs.
And then we back. Whoa! What just happened to my game? You see that? When I got out the lava. What in the world is happening? Guys, subscribe for more. We're going to end it here, guys. This is a crazy dimension. Goodbye.